episode of Renegade's Garage. So for this weekend's edition, it's just getting a bunch of odds and ends of projects taken care of. So, first thing first, me and Patrick are working on making a custom high mount hitch for the back of the Jeep. I got the receiver right there. Got the metal and everything we're going to use to make that. Number two is I made a comment a while back about needing to replace the tie rod. I want to get that taken care of. And then part three is I have a overhead rough country switch panel that I'm going to be changing out two of the switches in to momentary switches, so I'm going to run my winch off of it for in and out. And just see what else we're going to get done. I'm going to try to take some of the lights and the branch risers off of it, because I decided that that's not the style I'm going to stick with the new updated looks of the Jeep. So just stay tuned. This is just a weekend of just getting stuff done. No real rhyme or reason to the filming, just getting stuff done. So stay tuned. Welcome to the following morning of Renegade's Garage. So, as you can see from the time lapse, we just got busy, started knocking stuff out, and I forgot to film. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we got taken care of yesterday. So, keep watching. So, first things first, the main thing you guys seen at the beginning, or from the main time lapse, got the hitch made. So all it is a piece of 1/4-inch angle iron with a 1/4-inch plate on the bottom with a tongue welded to it, and this plate with a couple of gussets. And there's a plate that goes on the back here to help, you know, kind of squish everything together. So that's my new high mount hitch, so it don't hang out, you know, the extra 4 inches or whatever lower than stock. I mean, granted, this one sticks out a little bit more, but the main thing I care about is that it's up higher. That's a pretty easy build if you guys want to tackle something like that on your own. Like I said, literally it's just a piece of 1/4-inch it's all 1/4-inch plates. I know it will be strong. This was like 3" by 3. I think it's like 3 by 3. This, we just made a triangle piece that goes from the bottom of the angle here out, then to the tongue here. I'm gonna drill a couple, or not tongue, the receiver here. We still need to drill a couple holes in it to have safety chain points. But other than that, that is done. Okay, and because it was pouring down rain while I was doing this part, I didn't get a chance to film it. But on my rough country rocker switch, I changed out two of the switches. As you can hear, those are now for my winch. So my switches now go rear locker when I get a front locker, in, out on the winch. This is going to be when I get my A or B, and this is going to be my lights for night trails.
And I moved my spare to into the back, and to get a ratchet strap and ratchet strap it in. Pulled my front seats out. That's going to be an upcoming video. I'll show you here in a minute what's going on about that. Okay, and so my winch on the front, I put my control box, you can see it right here behind the grill. Now all you need is a hot into both sides of the controller for in and out, which I did. Then I left the factory controller, but moved it right there into my grill, so I'll just plug into it if I have to use the handheld. And I made my winch where it's all nice and down low, but still got good airflow. So then for my off-road lights, I have my two on the front still, moved them to the new grill. Then I got rid of my liberizers because they are cool, but they're not exactly the look I'm trying to go for anymore. Then I cut these brackets down where I went from having the double stacked back down to singles, turned them out, and I've not installed them yet, but I'm going to be installing some rock lights in my, I don't know if I'm going to install in the fenders or inner fenders yet. I'm still playing around with placement on that, but the Jeep is coming a long way into the new built trail rig is going to be. And I got a rear bumper delete panel that's going to go in right here. I took the spare tire mount off. I got a Barnes 4-wheel drive plate holder go right there. I'm looking into taillight ideas right now. That's why that one's off. Plus I need the wiring for my backup camera and stuff that I wired in before. But it's coming along pretty nicely. So as you can see, you got my old seats out right here with the brackets. Got to pull all the sensors off the passenger seat. 07 life for Jeep apparently is not a fun time for trying to put aftermarket seats in, because in that same time I picked up these are a set of Corbeau seats. They're the Baja RS, I think they're called. They're the recliner seats. Picked these up off a marketplace for 50 bucks. They had brackets, but they were for a TJ, so I took them off. Going to be putting, I just ordered a set of the JK seat brackets for them. I just got done deep cleaning them. Took my carpet cleaner, cleaned the cloth. Took my vinyl cleaner, cleaned the vinyl real good. Cause I think they were sitting for a while, like kind of like a musty, mildewy on the sides, and one of them kind of smelled a little like cat pee. We're still not 100% sure on that, but it had like a musk kind of a smell. So I just cleaned them off real good. I just got done Lysoling them, just kind of help freshen them up. Once they're dried, I'm gonna go through and do the carpet cleaner on them again, and vinyl clean, and do the vinyl clean one more good time. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and call it a done deal. They're going to be in my Jeep. I'm gonna probably leave the top off sometimes. They're gonna get rained on, so I'm not that worried about them being perfect. I just want to kind of get the smell down and make them look, you know, as good as I can. But I'm glad you guys stuck around to the end of the video. Sorry it was a little bit everywhere. Just had a lot of different odds and ends of projects I wanted to try to knock out this week on the Jeep. But I'm glad you stuck around. I had to take a week off just because I didn't really have a whole lot of content going on. I had a lot going on with work. But stay tuned for more projects going on with the Jeep, more updates on the 1-ton swap, and got truck content coming up. Like I said, still got camping content coming up. So without further ado, I hope you guys stick around for the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on the notifications button to stay tuned for when the newest videos come out from Renegade's Garage. But until next time, work on your projects, stay humble, and we'll see you in the next video. See ya. Bye.